Hello, my name is Erin Deach, and I am a pre-service teacher currently studying at Emporia State University. This is my e-portfolio. The purpose of this e-portfolio is to showcase the technology integration skills that I've acquired while studying the courses for instructional technology at Emporia State University. I have multiple tabs, as you can see up here, that pertain to some projects that I completed, some technology resources for the classroom that include integration and resources that I can use as a teacher. I have videos that I have created, and then I have papers that I've written. And this is a Google site that I created for my e-portfolio. So when we go to the About Me tab, that is a picture of me my senior year. This is just explaining that I'm a junior at Emporia State University and how I've always wanted to be a teacher, and that my overall teaching philosophy is students have the ability to strive to do their best within a safe classroom environment. And I think I can do that while integrating technology, because we do have students that don't feel completely safe in the classroom because they don't have a way to showcase themselves because they're a little different than their peers, and I think technology will help them bridge that gap. So as I said, I've got multiple tabs. We're going to go to my projects tab and take a look at what I have there. So I've got lots of projects that I've completed over the course of my time in Emporia State University. I have a unit project-based learning, and I actually completed that unit from a teacher's perspective and a student perspective. And then I have online lesson videos. I have a web quest using the technology Adobe Spark. And then I've got Edpuzzles, formative assessments, QR codes, storyboards, and then last thing on here is digital citizenship and how I can teach students about digital citizenship and the importance of it within the classroom. So for my next tab, I have technology resources, and this is my large tab. I'm very thankful for Emporia State letting me spread out my feelers on what I can use within the classroom and what is out there. So I've got lots of like a communication tool, pre-assessment tools. Here's my project-based learning where it explains like a project that they went through. More assessment tools. There's Edmodo. Let me stop scrolling on there. Schoology, Tinkercad, concept maps, a storm board. There's just a lot of resources that can be used within a classroom that's not just old school and paper and pencil and students writing things on worksheets. There are so many tools that can be used to help them learn. My next tab is videos, and I have a cyberbullying mini lesson, which is a Prezi that I created that I am giving a presentation on, that I'm giving a lesson on for students. And then there's also an instructional video. You saw this in the other tab about it's an online lesson. It's basically an overview of what they learned and what they're going over again in the next week. And then I also have instructional document for that instructional video. It's just a transcript of what is said. And then I have the benefits of virtual reality, which is becoming a hot topic within classrooms nowadays. And then my last tab is papers that I've written on information that I've gained while at Emporia State University and all of the benefits that I have. I've got the opportunity to learn about a flipped classroom, about TPAC, game-based learning versus gamification, and about Classcraft, and about what 21st century learning looks like and what it is. that is my portfolio. I have a lot of information that can be clicked on in here, that can you can go deeper within and see what I have learned as a pre-service teacher and what I can bring to the classroom. Thank you.